Hello friends, I am Arjav and today I am going to show you how to make this flapping bird. When you pull its tail, it starts flapping its wings. From a side it looks like this, and when it's coming to you, it looks like this. You just need one square of paper and nothing else. No tapes, no cuts, no glues. To make this flapping bird, you need a square paper. My square paper size is 15 cm by 15 cm. So first step is fold the paper diagonally into half and run your fingernail on it. Unfold it and do the same with the other side. Unfold, fold it into half. Unfold and fold it into half. And run your thumbnail on it. Now unfold. Now again you have to fold it diagonally into half. Now you have to make folds according to these and this line. So first open this pocket like this and take one side and push and flatten it and run your thumbnail on it. If this is difficult for you, I have one more way. So that way is we completely unfold the paper. We have these 4 lines, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the lines which are like this diagonal, they have to go like this. First this line and then it has to go down, and do the same with this side, opposite side, like this, and flatten it. So this is a square base fold. It is called a square base fold because it has become a square. Now you have to fold it like this, from this flap to the middle crease. Now you have to do the same with this side. And run your thumbnail on it. Unfold it, and now this step is kind of a tricky step. So you have to open it like this and according to these lines, this and this. So you have to just push and it would be like this, and do the same with this side. This. And flatten it. So from behind this, it looks like this. There is a square base and a flapping bird base. So, and from when we take this flap down, it looks like this, a small triangle. So now we have to turn it over and we have to do the same with this side. First fold them to the middle line open this flap like this and just take them inside like this and flatten it. You can even adjust the position like this. If it is a bit out, so you can push this and it would be in. Now this is like a flapping bird base. It looks like this from here. Now you have to take this flap, just this flap, and fold it over these two edges like this. So first it was like this and we folded it and it's now like this. Turn over and you have to do the same with the side which is more thicker and with more creases. As this is the one, I'm going to fold it like this and run your thumbnail on it to just make the creases a bit better. Now you have to take these wings and fold them up. You'll get to know when the fold should be ended when it's like this. You are trying to pull it but it's not going up. And rotate and do the same with this side. I'll tell you this step once again. First it was like this and we folded it up, turned it over and folded it up. Now after you have folded these flaps up, now you have to make the head and the tail for the bird. So to make that, you have to unfold these two flaps like this and take this and pull it according to the place you want to make your birdie's head like this and press it a bit and do the same with this side. Like this. Now you have to make the wings. For making the wings, you have to pull these two flaps again up and according to you take it down. And remember to make the height of the wings same. And after you are made one wing, rotate it top to bottom and fold it like this. So they are matching with each other. Now you have to make the bird's head. So to make the bird's head a bit easier, first you have to fold this flap according to the position of its head like this and try to run your fingernail on it. So if it is like this, unfold it and now you have to reverse fold it. So first open this pocket which is right here and you have to take this point and try to just push it like this. Open pocket and push it like this and just press it. Here is your flapping bird like this. If you pull its tail, it would start flapping. And yes, if it is not flapping, just try to make the bird's wings a bit flexible. So for that, you have to make the bird's wings go up down like this. This flap is ready and this is also ready. Now try to flap it. It would actually flap. Hope you enjoyed making this flapping bird. And please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.